Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to the classroom. Today, I want to show you our schedule that we have in the classroom. A schedule is just the things that we do during our day at school. So let me show you some of the things that we do here in the classroom. The first thing we do on our schedule is playtime. We call this free choice because you get to pick any toy in the classroom to play with. Number 2 is circle time. At circle time, we all sit together on the carpet. I read you stories, we sing songs and dance silly dances. Number 3, after circle time, we eat a snack. Nom, 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 nom. What's your favorite snack to eat? Ooh, I like to eat apples for my snack. Have you ever eaten an apple before? It's a good fruit to eat. So we have a snack after circle time. Number 4 is recess. When we're done eating, we go outside and we get to play on the playground. Maybe you can go outside in your backyard and play. Number 5 is story time. That's when I share a special book with you before we go and do our next activities. Number 6 is our learning centers. This is when you get to work with me or Mrs. Walker or Mrs. Shelley on a special activity at the table. Sometimes we're painting or coloring. Sometimes we're playing games. Number 7 is our music time. This is when we sing more fun songs and you guys get to pick them. And we get up and dance and play instruments. And right after music time, it's our goodbye time. That's when you get to go back home with Mom and Dad. So even though you're not here at school, you're going to be making your own schedule with Mom and Dad at home. That way you know what you have to do every day for your school. Let's go to the table and I'll show you what we have to make our schedules. Okay, boys and girls, for this activity, you're going to have to work with Mom and Dad. You're going to have a big black piece of paper and Mom and Dad are going to have to use this special tool. Does anybody know what this special tool is called? Our scissors. Yes, Mom and Dad are going to help you cut today, but you are going to have to find this inside of your pencil box. This is your glue stick. So go ahead and grab your glue stick out of your pencil box and make sure Mom and Dad are there to help you. Now we have so many different pictures that you can put on your schedule. Everybody has different things that they do at their house and different things that they do every day. So you get to decide with Mom and Dad what you're gonna put on your schedule. What do you do when you wake up in the morning? I eat breakfast. Did you eat breakfast today? So breakfast might wanna be on your schedule too. First, Mom and Dad are gonna have to cut out all the pictures that we have. Okay, once you're done cutting, you might have some scrippy scraps left over. That's what we call our extra pieces of paper. So make sure you help collect all of your scrippy scraps and throw them away for Mom and Dad, okay? So grab them, crumple them up into a ball, and make sure that you put them into the trash can at your house. Okay, now we have all the different pictures that we can make our schedule with. Some things that we do every day is waking up in the morning, brushing our teeth, and getting dressed. You can put these on your schedule if you want to. I'm gonna make a schedule of just the things we do at school. We don't really get dressed or wake up at school. You do those things at home. So if you remember the schedule in the classroom, when we come in the morning, we have playtime. So I'm gonna find my picture that says playtime. Playtime is gonna go first. So I want you to practice using your glue stick, boys and girls, and you can help Mom and Dad. So the top of our glue stick, use your strong muscles and pull off the lid, and you can set that down. Now inside of our glue stick is all of our glue, but when we're using our glue stick, we need to be careful because it's kind of sticky and it makes our fingers feel icky when we touch it. So the bottom of our glue stick twists and we can turn it. And when I turn it, my glue comes out of the top. Let me show you. Do you see my glue stick growing? It's getting taller. But when we're doing projects, we don't want to have a tall glue stick. That's not okay. So we're going to twist it down. Otherwise it gets all yucky on our paper. But I don't want to do it like this either, because then it won't work when I put it on my paper. See, it's not even sticking out. So we're going to twist the bottom. So just a little bit of glue is sticking out. After we have our glue stick ready, you're going to put the sticky part down on the paper. It's going to want to move on you, so you're going to have to use your fingers to hold your paper down so it doesn't wiggle away from you. And you're going to put some glue all over your paper. And then you're going to put it on the top of your schedule. Remember, your schedule might be different, so you might not have playtime first. You might be just waking up. The next thing I'm going to put on our school schedule is read aloud. Every day I'm going to have a story to share with you, and you're going to get to listen to a new book from me every single day. So read aloud is a really important one to make sure we have on our schedule. So make sure you grab your glue stick and hold down your paper. Okay, when we're all done gluing, make sure that you put the glue cap back on your glue stick. You're going to have to push it hard so it kind of clicks into place. Let's see if we can hear it. Ooh, I don't know if you guys could hear that because it goes dunk. And this needs to go back into your pencil box so that you have it for your next activity that you need it for. So make sure you put this back where it belongs. This is my schedule, but remember, yours might look different. And if you have a lot of things that you want to put on your schedule, guess what you can do? You can flip your paper over and you can keep going with your schedule and make it bigger if you have lots of things to do on your schedule. And boys and girls, good job making your schedules today. Now you get to go and draw me a picture for your first day of school. Okay, I'm going to talk to mom and dad for just a minute. Parents, just remember that we won't be doing all of these things every day. This is just to help your child visually see what they're going to be doing each day, so it's easier for them to follow along, and it's also easier for you to help keep them on track with their daily schedule. These schedules are really great for the students because it gives them an easy visual of what they need to accomplish for the day. So if a child is having a hard time listening to the story, you can remind them that, okay, well, we're going to do our activity and then you get to go play outside. Okay, so that they can see what's coming next. It's really important for children to understand and see their day all planned out. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me on Dojo.